Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Arshad Raza, BTech second year student from AEI department. Today I am going to demonstrate my project, that is motion sensor light switch using CD4017 IC and IR sensor module. The main part of this project is this IR module, in which all the components I have soldered in this Vero board. Now the basic circuit diagram of this IR module is this. The main part is the LM358 IC, which is present here. The pinouts are: the first number pin is the Vout connected with the LED, and the fourth number pin is ground, and 8th number pin is the plus VCC. The second number pin is the inverting input, which is connected with the 10k ohm potentiometer, this. And the third number pin is connected to the photodiode, which is this. And the photodiode is connected with a 1k ohm resistor, and this IR LED, which is connected with a 220 ohm resistor beside this. Now this sensor module has two inputs and one output, in which one is plus VCC, one is ground, and the other one is Vout. Now let us see the whole circuit diagram, which I have drawn here. This IR module is drawn like this. It has an output pin, a ground, and a plus VCC, like this, all three pins. Now the main component of this is CD4017 IC, in which 1 to 7 pin and 9 to 11 pin all are output pins, and the 8 number pin is ground, and the 16 number pin is plus VCC. Next we have the 13 number pin, which is clock enable, that is grounded. 12th number pin is the clock out, which is not connected here. Number 14th pin is the clock input, which the IR module output is connected here, and also it is connected with the 100 microfarad IC. Next we have the 15 number pin, which is the reset pin, and that is connected with the 4th number pin, and it is shorted. Now the important thing is the second number pin is connected with 220 ohm resistor and forward to the base of this transistor, that is BC547, that is an NPN transistor. Its emitter is connected to ground, and the collector is connected with the 20 ohm resistor and green LED, and a diode is connected with it, which is this. Next I have used an 5 volt SPDT relay, because I have used a lamp which is of 220 volt, and I have connected this with it, and the whole circuit is of 5 volt or 9 volt, and this relay will act as a switch. When this circuit of 5 volt works properly and gives the output properly, then this relay will switch in between this, and the bulb will glow. Now let us see how this project works. Now I am going to connect all these components. Firstly, for this 5 volt circuit, I am connecting a 9 volt battery. The plus VCC I am connecting with the plus part, and the ground I am I'm connecting with the ground part. Now in this relay, firstly I'm connecting the common part, and then I'm connecting to the second. First of all, you can see I've cut the positive part and connected both of this to this relay. The negative part is as follow. Now I'm going to start this project. I've switched it on. Now you can see the bulb is glowing. Now you can see if I move anything at the part where the eye is present, then the bulb will glow, and if I will move back, it will be switched off. Now let us see in another way. Now I'm going to move and let's see how it works.